Hi, what's up everybody? Welcome to Rich Side Insider, a place where future millionaires come together to get ideas. Today, we're gonna talk about Tesla stock. Do you get Tesla stock? It's 1,200 right now. So it has become the most valuable car company in the whole world. Just imagine. So I've been telling this, for the past few months. If you had bought Tesla at 700, just 700, just one share. A lot of people tell me, hey, I don't have money to buy a lot. I don't have money to buy shares. So don't worry about it. You just need to start with $1 a share, just $1 a day, just $1. Start with $1 and invest regularly. It's about consistency. It's about investing regularly to make you rich. So it's really important to invest regularly. So if you had just bought Tesla 3 months ago, 700, it's only 700, and you will have made $500, 71% return. That's a lot of return in 3 months, just 3 months, And so that's one thing you need to know. So start regularly, $1 every day, put it in a different accounts, stock investment account, $1 a day. So 365, start with regularly. If you have never bought a house stock before, just start with $1 a day, $1 a day, and invest in good companies. And I have a free stock. Click the link below, above. There are 2 links. Open an account, you get 3 free stock by just simply depositing $100. So which is you can withdraw it anytime. Just open an account. The links are above. Start investing. The sooner you start, the better it is. Investing takes time. So you will see a lot of results if you start early. So you should start early, invest regularly, $1 a day. So $365 a year. I have a free stock, the link below, above as well. If you are a US citizen or US permanent resident, if you have social security number, you can open the account over there. Or if you are other countries, if you are from UK, Canada, you can try opening the account. See if it's gonna let you open an account over there. Yeah, start with that, and also free audiobooks above as well. I have a free audiobooks above. So CEO reads about 60 books a year, and 1 book a week. So that's why they make a lot of money. CEO makes a lot of money because they read a lot, they learn, they invest in education, they invest in stock investment companies. If you look at rich people, they have 3 things in common. They invest in education, they invest in stocks, and they have their own business. So if you want to get rich, do these 3 things. Invest in your education, invest in real estate or stocks, that invest in companies, that start a business, start a company. So read the book. I'm gonna give you free audiobooks, and then you can open an account anywhere from around the world as long as you have a credit card. Free trial, 30 days free trial. Okay, you can get a free books. Read, you can cancel anytime. The link's gonna be above as well, above or below. So click the link below. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye. Share this video, like and subscribe. Share this video. Bye bye.